we're checking out the McFarlane Toys Riddler Puzzle Box Detective Mode variant from DC Direct. Experience and live Gotham City with this one-of-a-kind immersive product. Solve all 4 challenging puzzles created by the Riddler himself to unlock the ultimate payoff prize, a 1/1 scale metal batarang. Special to this unique variant are several hidden and helpful clues, visible only with the use of a black light. Put your Batman knowledge to the test to become the world's greatest detective with the Riddler Puzzle Box Detective Mode variant. Visit McFarlane.com to collect all of your favorite McFarlane Toys products.